Today, we'll be taking a look at the thermal cutoff and high limit thermostat on this Whirlpool electric dryer. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. To begin, you must first remove the electrical cover followed by the rear panel. The electrical cover has one screw on the top. Take this off, slide off your cover and set it to the side. And then the back panel has multiple 1/4-inch screws around the perimeter. We'll do the ones on the side first. The ones in the middle. Put your arm against it to remove the very last one. Bend it out, lift up, and set it to the side. Now that we have the back panel removed, we have clear access to our thermal cutoff as well as our high limit thermostat. Now the main reason why you would need to access these components is if the unit is not heating. In order to test this component to see if that is a culprit, you'll want to take the wiring off of the fuse portion up here and test for continuity. If it does not have continuity, that means that it is bad. Now, if this is bad, there's a couple of things that you'll want to check. First one would be airflow. The reason this would pop usually would be if the hot air that is going up from your heater cannot exhaust fast enough and it causes it to overheat. So make sure your airflow is perfect. If the airflow is bad, you'll want to make sure that that's fixed before you replace this fuse set. The next thing you'll want to check is your heating element. Undo your wire terminals down here, and then what you'll do is you'll test from this terminal to ground and this terminal to ground and see if you have continuity. If your heater is shorting out, it will cause the heater to stay on, thus causing it to overheat and pop this fuse. If the heater is good and the airflow is good, you'll want to replace the set here. And to start, let's remove the wiring from the thermostat on the bottom. In order to replace the fuse, we will use a 1/4-inch nut driver to remove the screw on the bottom. Take this off. You will lift up on the thermal cutoff and set it to the side. And then on the bottom, to remove the actual thermostat, is going in line and running on your heater terminal. So we will use something on the bottom to pry up between the two. We'll slide off and set it to the side. When installing a new thermostat, what you'll want to do is you have this hole on the top and there is a little fin going in on the top of your heater portion here. You'll bring it in and hook it on the fin, swing it down and slide it on the heater terminal. Then let's go ahead and reinstall the wire. As for the thermal cutoff, when installing the new one of these, you will use the tooth that is on the cutoff to go in the hole at the top. This will hold it in, and then use your nut driver to reinstall the screw. Plug back in our terminals and make sure the terminals are good on the heater. Now we can reinstall the back panel. When reinstalling your back panel, what you'll want to do is bring in at an angle because there's actually a small kind of lip on the back that it can sit on. It'll drop in nice and should line the screws up. So let's get it lined up here and install the first one. And I don't like to put that one too tight so that we can move the other ones around if needed. All right, let's move the plate and install the second. Now I'll go around and reinstall the others. Tighten this one up. Reinstall the last one. Go ahead and slap back on our electrical cover. And reinstall that screw. And this would complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.